Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be drawing characters with day in their names. Name day aka Leonid, Tuesday and Sunday. Name day and Tuesday are from Reaper's 1999. Sunday is from Honkai Star Rail. I don't play Star Rail but my friend does, and she annoyed me by playing 7 while I was drawing this. We were very excited because we are having 2 characters with days in their names in the same patch aka update. I used Vector for the line art. I wanted to draw this in Love and Deep Space Cat Hair Taker event style since we were talking about that event and how cute the chibis are. I got Silas but I wanted Xavier. I did manage to get the PT outfit box but no cards other than that one Silas card. My friend didn't even get anything because she went all in on the last Silas banner, so she didn't have enough to PT an outfit box. For the frames, I used Photoshop because I couldn't find a line evenly and more spaces between the frames setting in Clip. I also wanted the frames to be rounded rectangles so it's easier to do it in Photoshop than Clip. The text tool in Clip is also a bit difficult to use. I wanted to change the color but I can't really change it without selecting the text and then using eyedropper to change it. Overall, that's all the issues I have while drawing this, but it's pretty fast since it's all black colors. As always, I'll be happy to answer some questions in the comments. Also, may all be Tuesday wanters be Tuesday havers, and may all Sunday wanters be Sunday havers. Thanks for watching guys, bye.